focus groups, or in-depth interviews? Which among these are you planning to use? Let me help you decide by sharing with you the difference between these two. Also, in this content, we will highlight the advantages and benefits as well as the steps in conducting these two qualitative data collection techniques. Ang dami mong matututuhan, di ba? So, let's get started. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Yes, today we are diving into another significant topic, the two of the most popular data collection techniques in qualitative research, FGD and IDI, or focus group discussions and in-depth interviews. Ka-researcher, focus groups and in-depth interviews are two excellent means of collecting qualitative data and information directly from the participants. But of course, as researchers, we should know which one to use. Actually, neither is better nor worse because they both serve different purposes. So ito yung i-discuss natin ngayon, yung pagkakaiba nila at tamang paggamit sa kanila. Again, interviews and focus groups are common techniques for collecting qualitative data, particularly about people's experiences, opinions, attitudes, and motivations. Interview involves asking an individual or small group with questions about a topic. Focus groups are a specific form of group interview with interaction between participants. In a focus group, participants interact with each other, exchanging ideas that can lead to spontaneous insights and active discussions. Specifically, in-depth interviews are one-on-one conversations between a researcher and a participant. These are normally more detailed and personal, focusing on the individual's experiences, opinions, and motivations. So ayan, binahagi natin yung definitions nila. At nakita rin natin yung pagkakaiba nilang dalawa. Now, at this point, let's delve into the advantages and benefits of using FGD and IDI. Benefits of focus groups. 1. We can gather information and validate insights by analyzing responses across a diverse group. 2. We can build an evaluation story as participants collaborate and deepen their learning and reflections together. 3. We can capture a range of opinions, providing a fuller picture by observing consensus and disagreement. On the other hand, these are the benefits of one-on-one interviews. First, we can delve deeply into a single perspective. Second, we can explore various aspects of the topic in detail with each interviewee. And third, we can offer a safer environment for interviewees to express themselves. Ka-researchers, here are the other advantages of in-depth interviews and focus groups. Now, paano naman po i-conduct ang focus groups at paano gagawin ang in-depth interviews? Well, as promised, I will provide you with the steps which can serve as your guide. So, eto na! So ayan, I hope this helps you understand the difference between focus groups and in-depth interviews. I'm sure makakapag-decide ka na kung alin sa kanila ang gagamitin mo. At alam mo na din ngayon kung paano sila parehong magagamit ng tama at maayos. Ka-researcher, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Kung hindi ka pa namin subscriber dito sa Ana PH, subscribe ka na para maka-access ka sa mga previous videos natin at sa mga upcoming content na gagawin natin dito sa ating channel. Before I finally end, do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in our next video. Bye!